In my previous videos, I have introduced you to affiliate marketing. That is, if you would like a side hustle, if you want to start a business to augment your income, or if you are nearing retirement, let's say you are over 50 and you would like to prepare for retirement so that your standard of living doesn't drop. So this is a continuation because the questions have been, as far as affiliate marketing, what are the programs? And that is what I am going to be sharing with you today. That is affiliate programs. I'm Linda, and I'm sharing this information because I started that journey and I will not look back. I am a digital affiliate marketer of Launch You, and I have added other products like coaching, and it has added a lot of value to me. So, affiliate programs, what are those? You will find that there are big brands, including small brands, that have affiliate programs. What that means is that you then apply to be an affiliate. That is, you apply to promote and to sell their products or services in order to earn a commission. It is as simple as all that. All that you do, it's to promote, to sell their products, their services in return for a commission. However, there are different types of affiliate programs, and that is what I am sharing with you today. I'm going to be looking at 5 that I'm going to be sharing with you. The first one is just regular. The regular is that you are paid when there is a sale. You are paid commission. And what that happens is that you get to know about the commission even before the sale. For example, Amazon is a very big brand with an amazing track record, and their commission ranges from 1%, I think, to 10%, but you get to know that upfront. So there are also small brands that have affiliate programs, and the same thing applies to them. You apply to be an affiliate in return for commission when there is a sale. It is as simple as all that. As an affiliate, you don't do much. The heavy lifting, as I've indicated in my previous videos, is done by the merchant. That is the brand, the company whose product you are promoting or selling. So as long as there is a sale, if that is a program, as long as there is a sale, you then get the agreed commission. It goes straight into your account. Secondly, there is what is called high ticket. It's the high ticket program. By high ticket, we look at a program that will give you $1,000 upwards. Again, if, for instance, if there is a big event that you promote and sell, if it is a high ticket event, you get your commission ranging from $1,000 upwards. And that is what is called by a high ticket affiliate program. The third one is subscription. I like subscription because it is fairly easy and manageable. It can be a subscription on a monthly basis or a subscription on an annual basis. For example, if you promote e-learning material, you would find that there would be a subscription each time people buy, and if those people have subscribed to that product or program, you get commission, and it is commission that is 24 hours, 7 days a week. That is why the subscription program, I find very, very attractive, and do consider it. Obviously, I am not discounting others, because it can be on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis. And another beauty is that even if you promote a product or service 5 years ago, as long as there are subscriptions, the money comes. That is, the commission rolls into your account. So that is why the subscription program is very attractive. There is another program. It's cost per action. What that means is that if, for instance, you promote a service or a product, and there is a required action, for instance, completing a survey or subscribing, you then get commission. That is why it is called a cost per action program. Again, depending on what you are committed or able or wanting to do, that is another program, cost per action, that as long as the product or service you are promoting requires something to be done, let's say to complete a survey, as long as that happens, you get your commission, and you will know what your commission is. Then the last one is, the fifth one, it's paid per call. Paid per call simply means that you will get your commission if the product or service you are promoting results in somebody making a call. That is all. That is why it's called paid per call. Telemarketing, for instance, they do that quite a lot. So if you are interested in digital marketing, simply what that means is that you do everything online. I have introduced digital marketing in my previous video because I have found it very easy. As long as you have a laptop, as long as you have access to the internet, you can simply start as a digital affiliate marketer. However, it's also important that you have a website so that the marketing happens online. And for you, if you want to probe further and inform yourself, I invite you to visit my website, in the description below. There are quite a number of entities or organizations or agents that design websites. It's going to be important that you go that route if you would like to go the digital affiliate marketing route. You do need to have a program. There is nothing difficult about it, but I will caution that just be patient and follow what we are going to be sharing with you, because you will not regret. When I started, I was not at all technologically savvy, and today here am I am sharing this information even via YouTube, and there is so much that I have done as an affiliate of Launch You. When it comes to being an affiliate, I do want to caution that it is important that you be particular about brands, because it is not just rosy. There are also risks involved. So you want to be an affiliate of a brand or a company that has a track record, because there is also an element of risk, unethical business standards, etc. So I am going to stress, without instilling any alarm, that it is important that you be a digital affiliate marketer with a program, with a company or a brand that has a track record. Whether it is big like Amazon, Coca-Cola, Apple, it is fine. But there are also small brands with a track record. But it's going to be important that there be that awareness that there are also risks, and that there are people, because human nature being what it is, some people do take advantage of whatever is before them. But the positive, it just overruns the negative when it comes to digital affiliate marketing. And I do promote that unreservedly. As a lawyer, I have always been risk averse. And when I looked at what business I wanted to engage in, I did a lot of research and I settled for digital affiliate marketing because the risks are low. I've indicated in my previous videos that the heavy lifting is done by a brand. With Launch You, of which I am an affiliate, I do want to say that program has taken me far beyond business. It's a program that is fairly holistic, just as a person. How our mindset requires to be improved or turned around, how our health is important, how our wealth aspirations are important, how our self-development is important, how our social life is important. It's a whole package. And I do advise that when we are considering affiliate marketing, let us look at this business opportunity holistically, because that is how it is going to succeed. That is how we will have tenacity, because there are challenges, but as long as there is a commitment to succeed and not have any doubt, there is no reservation whatsoever that if you register for an affiliate program with a mindset that says nothing is impossible, your business is going to thrive. However, there is nothing that happens overnight. I do want to share this with you. There was a time when, for 2 months, I couldn't do what I am doing every day now. However, I continued to do research because I was determined that as a Launch You affiliate, I want to succeed, and I am succeeding. That is why I am sharing this information with such confidence of wanting you to also succeed. So, just to wrap up, affiliate programs involve being paid for a sale If the program is high ticket, what that means is that it's high ticket because your commission is from $1,000 upwards. So you can be an affiliate program and attach yourself to to promoting a product or service in a high ticket environment. Another option is to be a subscriber. Subscriptions can be monthly or yearly, and the beauty about it is that as long as the subscription continues, whether it is 24 hours, 7 days a week, or 5 years on, as long as the subscription is there, you get your commission. So it is very easy. And the fourth one, it is cost per action. You promote a product or service that if the customer does ABCD, whether it completes a survey or there is a subscription, you get a commission. And then finally you get paid if, for instance, the product or service you are promoting results in a call that leads to a sale or subscription. So those are the 5 affiliate programs I wanted to share with you, because we are together here. Let us do business. There are 8.5 billion people in the world, and the opportunities are endless. They are immense. So let's just get on and do business. As I indicated, affiliate marketing is easy because the brand or the company or the merchant does the heavy lifting. Your job is to market, that is, drive customers to the merchant, and the rest is history. And we be ethical. It's important to be ethical and be a trusted personal brand, if I could use that description. If you find this video helpful, I invite you to click the link below, help yourself to my website, and I am going to be publishing an ebook which is entitled Affiliate Marketing. Watch this space. Do subscribe, share this video with other people. Let us grow a community of affiliate marketers who are ethical but rich. Thank you.